Assalamu alaikum. Let's see what they're making for lunch today. The ladies are preparing lunch. It's right outside the school, super convenient. It smells amazing, so good. And now we're gonna add the chopped up white onions. Let's put that right into the pot. So right now I'm just mixing up this chicken. It looks amazing. I bet it tastes just as good. And it's such a blessing, alhamdulillah, that these kids get a fresh, nutritious meal every day at this school. And everybody's working so hard to take care of the kids and prepare it. Thank you to the donors who support the school to give these children these nutritious lunches and meals every day.